This model kit review is of the Mig-15, and this is a 1/72nd scale model by Eduard, and this is the ProfiPack edition, not the weekend edition. And I'm going to have a look inside here. Let's see if we can see any other details here. So those are the different options for finishing the model. So let's have a look and see what we've got. Somewhere here we go. So over here we've got our wings, and for some reason we've got an extra wing here. It looks like this is a duplicate, and probably must be some significant difference between them. But this is, I mean, typical Eduard quality here. Just absolutely phenomenal. The panel lines, the rivet lines, the detail level is just amazing. Even for the smaller, smaller model. Then we've got looks like part of our exhaust there. Here's our tail wings. We've got flaps and ailerons, but you can see the level of detail there. Okay, here we've got part of our nose, and well, as you can see there, look at that incredible detail there. And then there's our instrument panel. We've got some, those look like either our pylons, or probably more likely our nose door. Those are the pylons there actually. Those are our nose door wheel well. There's part of our seat, and probably the other part there. We've got our wheels and tires here. There's the wheels there, tires up there. There's our nose wheel. It's an incredible amount of little parts here. Here's our main gear, and then parts for the side as well. With side of the fuselage here, you can see the hoses molded in. There's our air intake with the that's with our engine fan. And we do have some bombs there. Okay, and then over here we've got looks like our glass with our canopy and windshield. Looks like we have some other parts for maybe the side of the plane. We'll have to look and see exactly what those are for. Tiny little glass pieces, but molding quality is excellent. Here is the main fuselage, and there's the other side of it. And then we've got some fuel tanks and pylons. Just the mold quality is just phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal, typical Eduard quality. We also get some photo etch, which is very nice. This is the ProfiPack, so it has the extra detail. And there you can see just absolutely phenomenal. Looks like we have some window masks there, and then some decals. So we've got larger decals for all the different options or versions that you could build. And on the back here we have incredible amount of detail there, with all the detailed decals for all the little panels and so on, instructions on the plane. Okay, here is more about the plane. And it shows you the parts we're not going to use. So a fair amount there. Those extra little glass pieces there, and that extra wing. And those are the colors needed there. So we start with the inside of the cockpit there, and build our ejection seat. Now we're building the exhaust, and put all of that together inside the fuselage. Actually, that was the rudder. I initially thought that was flaps and add-ons, but it's not. And don't forget to add the nose for balance here. You're going to put it in front of the engine, otherwise it will not stand on its wheels. Okay, put the wings together. Don't forget to drill out for the fuel tanks on each side, and in the tail. Now we're going to put the lower side of the fuselage. There is the nose wheel going in there, along with the air intake. Aha, that's that glass piece there. And then there's our gun, and our wheel well covers. There's that glass, maybe for a camera or something. And then more guns there. Our wheels being built with photo etch there for the extra detail. We mount the landing gear, and then wheel well covers. Then we got the canopy pieces. And it shows how to mask off the canopy. It seems very detailed there. And then we've got our fuel tanks. And here's the other option for fuel tanks. And here is our decal and paint guide. So here's one option. This is from an airbase in Korea. And here's another option from an airbase in Korea. And another option and another option. Now here's the last option. That's Romanian Air Force there. And then put some details on the extra decals there. Just absolutely amazing, the amount of detail here. So these are the Russian stencils, and these ones here with the Czech stencils. Here's more Russian stencils. So typical Eduard quality, absolutely phenomenal model.